how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw Sonic pointing right at us. So pretty much going to be upper body of Sonic, Sonic pointing right at us. Let's get started, okay? Alright, Sonic the Hedgehog, by the way, in case you don't know. Of course you know, because you're here. Gonna go right here, curve for the finger. We're gonna draw the hand first, because it's like straight pointing at us. It's close to the screen. Curve right here. Pulling down a bit. And pulling back down there. Curve down. Gonna go over here. So the next finger is gonna be kind of like out over here. Something like this. Next one's over here folded. And the last one, the pinky one's gonna be over here. Out. Over here. Thumb. Out over here, curve. Line over here for kind of the palm of the hand. Okay, and that's pretty much like the finger that's pointing right at us. What we're gonna do here is we're gonna put his face next. So let's just go over here. I'm gonna curve over here for the snout, just kind of a bump. And I'm gonna slide like slide underneath here. Gonna back out there. Gonna go over here, slide up. Gonna go over here and I'm gonna curve around that edge just a bit. And I'm going to curve around this side for the mouth. Over here for the nose, down, curve in for the nose, right there. And I'm drawing through the line because the nose is gonna be filled in dark. I'm gonna find a little circle there for a highlight and I'm gonna fill in the rest. I'm gonna go over here and make a Sonic smile. Cool, cool. Down over here, up. Curve, you have that arch, that kind of like gravestone shape for his eyes. Gonna go over here, pull up. Gonna go over here, pull up. And I'm gonna pull up over here, curve. Gonna go over to the side of the head, pull up over here, back for the brow. Over here, curve. We're gonna go down here for the eye. Right on. Over here for the far side eye. Gonna go over here, circle for the highlight, circle for the highlight, and then we're gonna put a dot in the middle there for the iris. Gonna go over here to the top of the head, curve back. Over here on this side, up, down for the pointed ear. Gonna go on this side over here for the far side pointed ear. It's like he wants to, you know, recruit us or something. What's up, you? Yeah. Also, if you like learning how to draw stuff, specifically stuff like Sonic, if you like learning how to draw pretty much anything, I teach anything on this channel, and it's all short videos. They're all like 8-minute videos or less or something like that. So absolutely hit the subscribe button, click the bell notification. Obviously hit the like if you do like this so far. I kind of forgot that one. Line over here for the bottom of the ear. And then over here, it's the far side ear. I'm going to draw like a line over there, kind of splitting it in half. And I'm going to draw the inner triangle here. Something about that is, yeah, when you subscribe, it's going to actually show, like, give you the choice, right? It's going to put a video on your feed every time I post a video, I think. And, you know, the feed where you see like 30 different thumbnails, you're going to see one about drawing. You're like, oh, cool. And the cool part about that is, I know this from experience, is that when you have it around you, or if you like, even if you just watch the video, if you don't do it, you just like, I don't feel like drawing, I'm just gonna watch. Even if you do that, it does help you improve, I noticed, because you have it at the forefront of your mind. And I've noticed that too when I was doing that for the past few years. I watched demonstrations of stuff I like. That's a spike, the back of Sonic's head. And I'm gonna continue to pull down. It's gonna disappear behind his hand there. But I noticed, like, as I'm watching this stuff every day, it gets me kind of equipped. It pre-packages my brain to draw. even if I don't draw. I'm gonna go over here and draw his chest. I'm gonna curve like this out, curve down. And I'm thinking about it a lot, and I notice that's like a big step. Obviously practicing is the best. I'm gonna go back here and I'm gonna draw a line in for his arm. Curve, like there, you see the back of his arm there, or the top shoulder of his arm. And just doing that really helps. The worst part is for me is if, and I've done this, is like a year from now goes by and, you know, all of a sudden I'm, you know, it's like, oh, I'm not better. Like, what the heck, you know? It's like, I'm not better. Not only am I not better, I'm like, you know, the same or worse because I hadn't been practicing. Line down for the leg. And I've been there a bunch. And I think what really stopped that was like watching stuff on YouTube or even just kind of buying videos and stuff and practicing from them. And even if I couldn't, I would still just look at art and think, right? Like, okay, cool. Am I doing this motion? Stuff like that. So, I mean, that's kind of, you know, the part about it is like not staying the same, learning a little bit day by day. And I think this would help you do that, in my opinion. Just kind of having this. Okay, now I'm going to draw the hand on the far side. So I'm going to draw a line out for his arm, his tube-like arm, down. And now we're going to draw the top of the glove, kind of coming around the back. Curve, another curve. Underneath here, curve, another curve. I'm going to connect these curves right there for the edge of that glove. Going to go over here and draw like maybe the palm of the hand right there. The other part of the palm of the hand. Down for the thumb. Over here on this side, down. Right on. And the hand down there. It's going to kind of go off the screen, but if you really want, you can draw the fingers over here. Same way. You know, that's the stuff I mean by learning. You know, I'm thinking about the fingers and stuff like that. Let's go to the stomach area, and I'm going to draw a curve over here, curve down, for the color change on his stomach. Because that's obviously really, really important. But anyways, that's it. That's Sonic pointing. If you enjoy that, hit the like. If you want to help the channel out, by the way, and you want to like spread the artist cheer and help the channel out, definitely hit the share button. Share it on Twitter, share it on Facebook, share it anywhere you'd like. Anything helps. It's amazing, and I feel lucky to do this, okay? That's it. Thanks so much. I'll talk to you next time, and I want you to stay frosty. And yeah, let's draw more Sonic stuff later.